Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorable, how to create a website for your wedding and events planning business on Dorable, easy and quick. So first, type Dorable on the search. Dorable, as we know, is a website, is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. The AI website builder can generate an entire website with images and copy in seconds. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business. Now enter your business name. Now select your industry, and now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first of all, let's go to the first section. This is the header section. You can edit it from here. Now you can edit the site name if you want. If you want to turn this on, the logo, and upload a file from here. Also, if you want to add a label here, and if you want to add a link, also if you want to manage your social link settings, if you want to turn it on or turn it off, uh, if you want to add a channel and select the type of the social link, and here put the link. So that's it. Let's save this. Now if you want to add a section, just click here and select any section you want from here, and that's it. Let's go to the next section. You can edit it from here. This is the banner section. If you don't like this, just regenerate from here. Also the subtext, you can regenerate it if you don't like it. Also here the label, if you want to change it, and here if you want to add external link, and that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the image section. If you want to edit it from here, if you don't like it, regenerate it like this. Now if you want to manage the image position from here, and let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the text section. From here you can regenerate the text if you don't like this. So if you want to edit the type of the text from here, so that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. So the next section, uh, the list section, you can edit it from here. Did this, you can edit or manage display settings. You can manage the image and the icon and the heading and the content, and this you can turn the button on or off. So that's it. You can also manage the list items, and you can add a list item here. You can generate image. Also, if you want to generate a title, if you want to generate the contents, and if you want to add a label here, and here you can add a link. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. So the next section, well, this is the testimonial section. Add a testimonial. Now if you want to generate the code, if you want to generate by who, if you want to generate the image, so that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the gallery section. If you want to edit this, also if you don't like the image, you can regenerate it from here. uh, if you want to upload the image from browser, just go here and type like this. So let's take this and put it here, and you can put it here, and that's it. So if you want to upload a file or an image from your library, so if you want to choose just from here, let's pick some image from here. So I'm gonna choose this, for example this. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. So let's move on. This is the location section. If you want to change this, also if you want to change your business address, and if you want to add additional text files, you can add the title and you can add the content. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the contact form section. So if you want to change the text from here, just regenerate it. Also if you want to edit the type of the writing, and if you want to manage files here, so if you want to turn this on, custom input labels, and manage the settings of it. Also if you want to generate the form success message, so let's save this and let's move on. This is the footer section, the last section. If you want to change the business name, and if you want to turn this on and upload a file from here, if you want to add additional details, and you can also turn this on and add a label. You can add the link here, and you can manage social links, and you can add a channel and select the type of the social link, and you can here put the link. So before we complete this editing of this website, if you want to regenerate any section, any content of any section, just select the content and it will be regenerated. Also if you want to regenerate the style of the any section, just click regenerate and select the style, and that's it. Also if you don't like the entire section, just click entire section and it will be changed. Also if you want to duplicate the section, just from here and it will be duplicated. If you want to delete this section, you're gonna find this delete icon, click on it. And if you want to move it up or move it down, so that's it. Now let's save this, and now here you can create your business website easy and quick. So now just uh, click on publish. You can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.